Good morning, skiers. The time is 10:30 a.m. with another blue sky across Andorran ski resorts. Well, except for Gaza. I don't know what happened there, probably because it's on the north side of Pyrenees Mountain next to France. The temperatures are nice, somewhat hot directly under the sun, and well below zero during the night. Perfect to maintain the snow Andorra already got and for them to make snow if necessary. Here is a clip sent to me by a friend who is skiing in TAHOE. They are meters deep in snow. Enjoy, that's all I have to say about that. You know, sometimes ski resorts have to shut down not because of the lack of snow as we have been seeing in Europe this ski season, but because they have too much snow. Funny, isn't it? Well, back to the snow report in Andorra. Excellent snow everywhere with the Pyrenees blue sky. Y'all just have to pick a resort and go at it. Okay, that's all from me on this quick snow report. Y'all enjoy the rest of the video and I hope it's informative. I thank you for watching and I'll catch you on the next video. Happy skiing!